Hello, here Rakesh Srivastava, teaching you maths of class 9th, NCERT book, second chapter polynomial. In the previous lecture, I have explained about the zeros. Now we'll see the remainder theorem for this chapter. Remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? That you see, if any polynomial px whose degree is greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number, if polynomial px divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is pa. It is the theorem. Theorem is saying one polynomial, linear polynomial, you are dividing a polynomial whose degree is greater and equal to 1. We will see it by example. First of all, example given, let px is divided by gx. What is the px given? 3x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 1. This px is divided by another linear polynomial x plus 1. By the remainder theorem, x minus 1, and here what is given? Linear polynomial x minus a. So x minus a is equal to x minus 1. If you compare by remainder theorem, then what are you getting? Minus a, comparing both the side, minus a equal to minus 1. So what is a? Minus a equal to minus 1, and minus minus cancel, a is equal to 1. Now remainder is pa according to theorem. Pa means at the place of x you replace a, and a means value of a 1. So here I am putting p1. P1 means in this polynomial at the place of x you will write 1. So 3 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 power 3 minus 3 into 1 power 2 minus 4 into 1 plus 1. So you simplify this, open the brackets, your result will be 3 and 3 cancel. What are you getting? Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7. Minus 7 you are getting a remainder by the remainder theorem. It is your remainder. By dividing this polynomial by the linear polynomial x minus a, you are getting your remainder is minus 7. But you check whether it is by long division method. Long division method by a arithmetic division, when you do like this, it is your long division method. What is the long division method? How will you divide it? A polynomial you write inside dividend, it is called divisor. So dividend divide by the divisor, you are getting 3x power 4, this minus 4x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 1, and by x minus 1. So how will you divide? You write first term of the divisor, you get first term of the division. How will you get? Here is x, here is 3. So first of all you multiply by 3, you write here 3. Here x power 4, your first term is x power 1. So how many you want? X power 3. So it is your 3x power 4. Multiplying the divisor first term by the any number which gives you the first term of this. 3x power 3 into x gives you 3x power 4. So 3x power 3 by minus 1 you are getting 3x minus 3x power 3. Like term under the like term. So in subtraction sign will be changed. In the subtraction sign will be changed. So here minus change plus and plus change minus. This will be cancelled. Subtract. So minus and plus will also subtract 4 minus 3, 1. So you write x cube minus 3x. All the term of this you will write here. Minus 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now minus x cube you want, because minus 4 is greater, and plus 3 here, so subtract. Minus 1 you want, but here it is x. What will you do? Multiply by x, and x square will be the x cube. But here plus sign, so here minus sign. So second term of the quotient will be minus x power 2. You are getting minus x cube minus minus plus x square. Again sign will be changed. It will be cancel 3 and this minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Now minus 4x square will you want to compare with the divisor. X and minus 4x square. What will you do? You multiply by minus 4x. Here I have written minus 4x. Minus 4x into x will be minus 4x square. Minus 4x minus 1 will be minus minus plus 4x. So here opposite sign will be changed. It will cancel. Here plus minus both are minus. So 4 plus 4 8. Minus 8x plus 7. You want minus 8x. But here only x is given, so multiply by minus 8. You are getting minus 8x plus 8. Minus and minus. It will be change sign, cancel. So here plus, here minus. Minus 8 plus 1 gives you minus 7. Now you are getting the remainder is minus 7. Quotient is this. Previous by remainder theorem also you have got the minus 7. So this is a very simple by remainder theorem, but it is only by linear divisor. Divisor must be a linear polynomial, not quadratic. Another example by long division method. Find the remainder by long division method when x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1. I have written x cube minus 1, x minus 1 here. First term x cube you want, here x only given, so multiply by x square, x cube is here. Minus x square is here, but here no x square term is present in the dividend. What will you do? Change sign, this first term is cancelled, but here no x square present, so this will be as it is here, plus x square and minus 1 is here. Again you want plus x square, but here only x, so 1x into x gives you x square, so its quotient will be x. X square will be opposite sign, here plus, then change into minus, cancel it. Minus x, here x is not present, so minus x change into plus x, here plus x you write, and minus 1 at the last. Plus 1 you multiply, you are getting x minus 1, again sign change and both are cancelled, you are getting the remainder 0. This remainder 0 means x minus 1 is the factor of px. When the remainder is 0, then the divisor is the factor of dividend. So, same question when you want by remainder theorem. Compare by theorem x minus a is the divisor. So, x minus and x minus 1 is same. Both compare. Minus a equal to minus 1. So, what is a? A is equal to 1. Minus and minus cancel. So, P1 you find out. I am putting P1 here. What was the Px given? Px was x cube minus 1. It was the Px. Px was x cube minus 1. At the place of x, I am writing Pa. Pa means, what is A you have got here? 1. So you want to find out P1. P1 is equal to 1 cube minus Pa means P1. So here 1 you are writing at the place of x. 1 cube minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 you are getting without long division. So remainder you can get without long division. Another example is here Px is given by x plus 1. So I am comparing x minus a, x plus 1. Another method you can get r. Let x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the x? X is equal to minus 1, which is a. Therefore, a is equal to minus 1. You can get like this. Not necessary that x minus a all the ways you write. Directly you let the divisor equal to 0 and then transpose and get the value of x, which is a. Here Pa means p minus 1. Put all the places of this equation, this expression, all the places of x replaced by minus 1. I have written p minus 1, 4 into minus 1 power 5 minus 3a into minus 1 power 4 plus minus 1 square minus 1. So what are you getting? Minus 1 power 5. 5 is odd, so it will be negative. Minus is power is even, so it will be positive. Class 8th you know it is integer. So minus 1 square will be plus 1, 1, 1, 1 cancel. 3a into 1 and 4 into minus 1, your result is final because a is not a value not given. That's why your remainder will be minus 4 minus 3a. For arithmetic, you see, when 383 is divided by 5, you will get 76. 5 7 ja 35, 33, 5 6 ja 33 is the remainder. So 1 is called, quotient is 76, dividend is 383, divisor is 5 and remainder is 3. What is the dividend? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is a rule, division algorithm, theorem. Divisor 5 and 76 quotient both multiply, and 380 plus 3, 383 both are equal. So it is always true for any theorem. So for polynomial it is also true. Now we will see divide px by gx, 2x plus 1. If this type of the question is given, it is not in the order. It is not in the order. First of all, for long division method, you will write in the descending order of the degree of variable. For division, long division, how do you do? You arrange the both polynomial in the descending order of the variable. Power is 2, power is 1, power is 0. So here I have written arranged form 2x square minus x plus 4. Here I have written x plus 2. X is written at the last. So this is very important. Here you see, first step is you arrange. Second step you write like division method. Dividend inside and divisor outside. And you check the first term. It is stepwise division I have written. What is your first term? First term of the divisor, which is x, change into the first term of the dividend 2x square. It is the method of division. How will you change? 2x square. How will you change x into 2x square? By multiplying 2x. By multiplying x by 2x, you get 2x square. So it is your quotient. You write here 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into 2, 4x. Here plus sign, here plus sign. Now sign is changed. This and this cancel. You are getting minus sign here, 4 plus 1, 5x, minus 5x. Now you will get minus 5x and this will be as it is. So minus 5x you want. So by which number you multiply x, get minus 5x. Minus 5. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. So opposite sign, both will be cancelled. So you will get 4 plus 10, 14. Your remainder is 14. And till the last one, the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, you stop. Here x degree 1 and here it is x degree 0. It is a constant polynomial. So now you stop at this place. When x is present here, both are equal, then one more time it will go. Remainder is 14. But by the previous arithmetic, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is your dividend, it is your divisor, it is your quotient plus. When you multiply both the bracket, add it, you get this. If the dividend is represented by px, divisor is gx, and quotient is qx, remainder is rx, then it is always satisfied. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Dividend, divisor into quotient plus remainder. By remainder theorem, same question. What is the given? By remainder theorem when you want, then gx is x plus 2, so x minus a is equal to x plus 2 r. Let x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2. Both are the process. Like this you can get a, r, so a is equal to minus 2. Like this you can do. Here I have done this, otherwise like this. So you want px is given this in the question, 2x square minus x plus 4 in this question. So by remainder theorem, at the place of x you want pa. Pa means p minus 2. 2 into minus 2 square minus minus 2 plus 4. So 2 to the 4, minus minus plus 4 to the 8, minus minus plus 2. So your answer is again 40. By remainder theorem also and by this. One more example here we have taken. Find the remainder if py is equal to y power 5 minus 2y power 4 plus y square plus 1 by polynomial gy 2y plus 1. By this you are dividing this. So this is a divisor. Divisor is not a simple. So you can get y minus a is equal to 2y plus 1, or another method directly you write it is let it is equal to 0. What is? Otherwise you divide both the side by 2, you convert it as a y. So r multiply this 2i minus 2a is equal to 2i plus 1, then minus 2a is equal to 1, then a is equal to minus. So like otherwise it is very simple, you equal to 0, transpose it, get y, and which is your a. It is your a. Remainder is pa, means p minus half you calculate. Put the value of y in this expression minus half power 5 minus 2 into minus half power 4 plus minus half square plus 1. So simplifying, taking LCM, minus 1 minus 4 plus 8 plus 32, your answer is plus 35 by 32. Exercise 2.3, one polynomial is given. In exercise 2.3, one polynomial is given, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Divide by the 4 polynomials. 5 polynomials different. First part x plus 1. I have taken let this, so x is minus 1. Putting p minus 1, your remainder is 0. Second one given x minus 2. Let it is equal to 0, x equal to half. Finding p half, you are getting this. 27 by 8. Very simple calculation. Third one is given p0, x0. X means what? Simple x is given. Let x is equal to 0. Direct you are getting x. Alone. No a. A is not given. This means x plus 0. So what is the a? A is 0. So at the place of x you write 0. Your answer is 1. Fourth one, x plus 5. X plus pi is 0 and x is minus pi. P minus pi you calculate. Put at the place of x minus pi you are getting. This is your final answer, because pi you don't put 22 by 7. 5 plus 2x. Let 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. Then 2x minus 5. X is minus 5 by 2. So p minus 5 by 2. Putting the value, cubing, multiplying, taking LCM, your result is minus 27 by 8. Second part, question is given in the 2.3 exercise. You find the remainder by dividing x minus a. This polynomial divided by x minus a, it means remainder will be pa. What is x? If you let it is equal to 0, then x will be a, or not? So what is pa? You calculate. At the place of x I am writing a. So a cube, here a into x square, a into a square, a cube cancel, you get 6a minus a, your answer is 5a. Third one is, you want to get the 7 plus 3x is the factor of this or not. It is the third question given in the exercise. 7 plus 3x you let at 0. 3x will be minus 7, then x will be minus 7 by 3. Put the value of x here, minus 7 by 3, taking cube of it. Simplifying, your answer is minus 392 by 9. It is a simplification of this. Cubing of 7 by 3, cubing, multiplying, taking LCM. But it is not equal to 0. So no, it is not. 7 plus 3x is not the factor of px, because remainder is not 0. Because the remainder is not 0. That's all for today, and we will discuss factor theorem and 2.4 exercise in the next video. Thanks.